Today I'm going to show you how to create round corner effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. This is a simple video footage. We will bring up the layer and create a color math. We will put the color we want here. We can write the name of the color here if we want. Then we will bring up the color math under the layer. Next we'll move on to effect control and scale the scale to 45%. Then we will go to effect and search round edge. Leave the effect on the top of layer. Then come to effect control and set the border to 500 and set the factorial influence to 0 and set the edge sharpness 10. See, it's done. Now we will give a shadow effect here. I'll search shadow and leave the effect on the top of layer. Then go to the effect control and create a shadow as you wish. It's complete now. If I turn it, it will show like this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy it, please subscribe and like and comment if you have any question. See you again next time. Have a nice day.